Hi, this is Izzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. It's common to hide sensitive and personal chats on WhatsApp for privacy and security reasons. However, one of the more common question people ask is how to find hidden chats on WhatsApp. You might be looking for hidden chats on WhatsApp for different reason. For instance, you may suspect that your partner is being unfaithful on WhatsApp and hiding chat from you, or maybe you want to unhide a previously hidden chat on WhatsApp and you can't find the chat in your hidden folder. So how? Regardless of your reason, you'll be glad that in this video I will show you how to do it, how to find the hidden log chat on your WhatsApp. So first I will show you first. So I will hide this chat like this. So this conversation will be disappear from here. And where to find it? It's very simple. You can just swipe down your screen like this, and you'll find there's a lock chat pop-up appear on the top of your conversation list like this. Okay, you just need to swipe up until it's appear. Then you can just tap on that, can enter the fingerprint, and here's all the locked chat will be saved or listed on your WhatsApp. It's a simple, right? So that is how to find hidden lock chat on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.